Hello students, I am Raman Gupta from Government College Bara. In this video, we will discuss an essay named Aldous Huxley, who has written many essays, and one of those essays named Selected Snowberries is in our syllabus. But before starting the essay, we'll discuss something about the author. Okay, so let's start with the introduction of the author. Aldous Huxley was born on 26 July 1984 in England and died on 22nd November 1963 at the age of 69 at Los Angeles County in California, US, United States of America. He was not only a writer but a philosopher also. He studied at Eton College and graduated from Balliol College, Oxford, with an undergraduate degree in English literature. Early in his career, he published short stories and poetry and edited the literary magazine Oxford Poetry before going on to publish travel writing, satire, and screenplays. He spent the latter part of his life in the United States, living in Los Angeles from 1937 until his death. He was nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature 7 times. This was a great achievement for him and was elected Companion of Literature by the Royal Society of Literature in 1962. Huxley was a pacifist. He grew interested in philosophical mysticism. Huxley completed his first novel, which was unpublished though, at the age of 17 and began writing seriously in his early 20s. His first published novels were Social Satires, Chrome Yellow in 1921, Antique Hay in 1923, Those Barren Leaves in 1925, and Point Counterpoint. This is important. Point Counterpoint in 1928. Eyeless in Gaza in 1936 and After Many a Summer 1939, which was awarded the Tate Black Prize. Among his collections of essays, we may mention On the Margin, Proper Studies, Music at Night, and Ends and Means. Now, let's start the essay Selected Snowberries. Aldous Huxley was the inheritor of the best family traditions. His grandfather was Thomas Henry Huxley, the eminent Victorian scientist. Huxley was a grandnephew of the poet Matthew Arnold and was educated at Eton College, we have discussed earlier. He entered journalism at a young age. He was a journalist also. And now something about his prose style. Huxley is known for his prose style. He mirrors his tremendous mental capacity through his prose style. With all the wonderful sweep of his mind, Huxley is always lucid. He relates everything which he analyzes to the key problem: how to get rid of the cobwebs in our mind and live sanely and sensibly. He is fond of paradoxes, through which he shows his alert and dynamic perception of unlikely relationships with which escape an ordinary mind. The paradoxes are an essential part of Huxley's wit, which always brings out the most remarkable quality of his prose. His amazing energy, clarity, and precision, and natural ability to invest his writings with great erudition. Now, let's start the essay. What is there in this essay?
सर जी गद्दा उधर एक और पिछड़ा होगा ना, डबल गद्दा हो रहा होगा ना,
चाहिए
वहाँ दो वाला दे दो, वो थोड़ा वो ऐसे हो रहे हैं गद्दे, तो वो उधर वाला एक गद्दा